Whether you are a designer or developer, it can be challenging to stay current in this fast paced world, where it feels like new tools are product hunted on a weekly basis. If you are working in a larger team, and especially if you are working in an enterprise or B2B model, being able to make even small improvements in efficiency can lead to huge increases in the effectiveness of your design organization. So, what should we do now? Figma could be one stop solution for this problem. You may ask, what is Figma then? Figma is one of the well known designing tools present today. It is the very first browser based interface design tool come to the market, and it's also a name we are coming across more and more often in the design industry. It was co created in the year 2013 by Dylan and Yvonne, whose San Francisco based startup has raised nearly 83 million, who aspired to do for designing interface what Google Docs did for editing text. Like Google Docs, Figma stores work in the cloud where it is automatically saved to a shared space. Work can easily be shared with coworkers and clients via web browser in real time using a single URL. With Figma, designers can do everything from producing wireframes and low fidelity prototypes to executing visual design. You may think, why is web-based a good thing? There can be a number of reasons for that. First one is there's no software to download, install, and continually update. The second one, there's no need to save and organize your files. Your work is automatically saved to the shared space in the cloud. Third, and this is one of my favorite, one URL becomes the source of truth that everyone gets to see. Fourth, but not the least, there is no need to continually upload, sync, and arrange all types of PNGs file in multiple places. Now, why exactly we should use Figma? Figma has n number of features. So let's try to explore some of the features about Figma. First one is its platform. As we all know that Figma is a vector graphics editor and a prototyping tool. It is primarily a web-based with additional offline features that is enabled by desktop application for macOS and Windows and even in Linux. The good thing about this tool, it is available even for Chromebooks as well. The second most widely used features of Figma is Figma collaboration. What is this? Figma collaboration is one of the finest features which Figma provides, and because of that, people love this tool so much that they are moving from Adobe to Figma. Figma is most appreciated by people working on more collaborative teams. Other design and prototyping tools lack this key feature or just don't have the same ability as Figma. This feature alone can save designers time and make projects run more smoothly. Third one is prototyping. Figma has been around long enough to earn a solid reputation among designers and developers and can be a solid tool for prototyping. Fourth one is Figma operation. The beauty of this tool that even a naive person can design a beautiful wireframe. You can create your own prototype. Instead of using a PowerPoint, you can directly use your Figma for your presentation. And with the help of Figma, you can use different transition and animation features which make this tool a very unique in this design industry. Now the most important thing, let's talk about Figma price. Figma has both free and paid plans, depending on the volume of work you will be doing. If you want to go for a monthly plan, I would suggest you to go for a $12 plan, which gives you per one user per month license uses. Now, Let me just show you one example where you will get an idea what kind of wireframe or what kind of prototype you can design with Figma. So I have created a very simple design which can be used as part of this video to give you an idea how you can use this particular tool for designing different wireframe. Now this is a very simple example which I downloaded from an online and added some tweaks. Here you can see this is a simple interface, and within 4 to 5 hours you can create a beautiful wireframe design, and the same can be utilized for your dashboard analysis or for your wireframe prototyping. Now you can see with Figma, doing or creating wireframes is a lot easier compared to any other tools which are available on the market. Now, the more I use Figma, the more reasons I find to like it. There are a tons of details you end up discovering as you start working with it. Overall, it feels like a more evolved and well thought out tool for interface design. I'll be creating more videos on Figma. So for more videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.